Pag late po nag-register, paano po asikasuhin yung backlog? For example po, nag-start maging independent contractor August 19, 2025. Tapos this 2026 lang mag-register. Ang pwede mong gawin, mag-register ka na next year, year 2026. Any month po, basta before deadline ng annual income tax return for the year 2025. Ang deadline po is on April 15, 2026. So, pwede mag-register ka ng January, February, March, or first week ng April. Basta before deadline para meron ka ng BIR Certificate of Registration as an independent contractor. Tapos pwede ka na pong mag-file ng annual income tax return mo for the year 2025. Pwede mo pong isama yung income mo from August 19, 2025 until December 31, 2025. So wala ka na pong backlog. Pero workaround lang po yung shinare ko. Pinakamaganda pa rin, this December pwede pa naman pong humabol, mag-register sa BIR para yung date of BIR registration mo is year 2025. Yun po yung pinaka-proper. Yung shinare ko, work around lang yun kung talagang year 2026 ka makakapag-register at gusto mong magka-annual income tax return for the year 2025. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.